kind wahala be this one now? Don't be like almost 3 hours so I don't dey wait for this girl.
This man!
Huh? Which kind evil spirit make me go dey try all this blind date? You know matter, make I still dey wait. Might just give her like 30 minutes. If she no show, I go dey go.
Oga Tom, no vex. Na manager send me. He talk say make I tell you, abeg, if you no buy anything, make you comot, make customers come use this place. You don dey here for 3 hours now. You no even buy bottle water.
Are you playing?
See this guy, now he hold me now na dey talk to like that. Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
Oga Tom, no vex abeg. At least buy something so that manager no go dey disturb you.
Get the way you there, my friend. Oh yeah, wait first. Bring me bottle water. Cold one, no.
70 years old man.
No problem, Oga Tom.
If you like, go to waste time. Now you go drink that water. See as these people just embarrass me for here. They hold me because I come here.
Excuse me, sir. Please, I'm supposed to meet somebody here. His name is Mr. Tom.
Yes, my dear, I am Mr. Tom. But I hope I'm not owing you money. Wow, see that girl fine. Sorry, my dear, please have a seat.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Tom.
Oh, please don't mention it. I feel like the luckiest man alive to meet a sweet, beautiful angel like you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. But I hope you're different from all these other men that I've been meeting.
Oh, my dear, don't worry. As you see me so, I'm one of the biggest boys in this town. I promise I'm going to take good care of you. Anything you need, anything you want, just tell me and I'll provide it.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Tom. You're such a nice guy. But don't worry, I'll just have soft drink and some snacks.
Are you sure, my dear? You can have anything else you want. I'm the biggest boy in this town. As a Lagos guy, you have nothing to worry about.
I'm sure you say all this nice thing to other women that you meet. I'm sure I'm not the first girl you brought to this place. But if you're really serious, I will give you a chance.
Now you're talking, my dear. Don't worry, I'm going to sweep you off your feet in no time.
I really appreciate that. But you still have to meet my father.
Oh, that's not a problem, my dear. Anytime you want, I will follow you home to meet your dad. Come to think of yourself, who is your father?
My father's name is Senator Jackson. He's very popular. I'm sure you might have heard of him.
Ah, Senator. Who doesn't know Oga Senator Jackson? He's my boss. So your mother must be the Indian woman that came into the country not too long ago.
I'm sure by now you've noticed from my accent that I'm not from around here.
Yes, so I've been thinking about it too. Most of our girls, they like to blow for me a lot, but your voice sounds very different. Don't worry, my dear. Let me order some things for you to eat first. Once you are through here, I'll take you to my place. So anytime you are free, you can come and visit me when you like.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Where you this guy? Bring my beautiful angel some snacks and some mineral.
No problem, Oga Tom. Here is your food, madam.
Oh, thank you very much.
This man!
Please go ahead. Enjoy your food, my dear. I'm here with you. Hey, which kind of problem is this one now? Now my chairman daughter now go carry for blind date. I want to go solve this problem now. Joe, Alpha, how you doing now?
Tom, what they gonna worry you nowadays? We always Senator give you 1 week ago, make you go buy electronics for a new office. Since 1 week till now, nobody see you again. I just say make I quickly call you, warn you, say, okay, they find you. And in this search for you serious, you no be happy at all. So anything you want to make, quickly do them now. Give your guy money, or go buy those electronics for him.
Joe, let me talk to Oga. Can I make you no verse? I don't already order them. Now the packaging I dey wait for like this, make they deliver them. Tom, all this one wey dey talk na story. You better go find house you go take get those electronics for Oga now, or you return your money. Now the only thing I go tell you be that too. Hey God, which kind of wall I put myself inside? Why I go play that yeye game? Now don't lose Oga money finish.
Is everything alright, Mr. Tom? Because you're looking very worried.
Oh, don't worry, my dear. Everything is alright. Finish up so we can start leaving. Let me know once you are done.
Okay, I'm done. We can start leaving now.
Alright. Guy, I beg true. Quickly come collect your money. This one wey dey do I like win. She do me, I no pay this money complete.
70 years old man.
Finally we are here. Welcome to my home, my dear.
This man.
Oh, you have such a beautiful place.
Come, let's quickly go inside so I can show you my mansion. Come inside, my dear. Come inside. Please make yourself at home.
Wow, Mr. Tom, you really have a very nice apartment. I love the fact that it's very, very small.
Yes, my dear, I know. But don't mind me, this is one of my houses. I'm just managing this place. I still have like 5 other houses in the island. But don't worry, dear. One of these days, I'm going to take you there.
Tom, Senator just send some policemen come my house now. I tell them say I don't know where you dey. Me, I dey sure say they go your house right now. If you get sense, quickly come out from house now.
Okay, Joe, I don't need discharge now.
Is everything alright, Mr. Tom? Because you're looking very worried.
Yes, my dear. I have to be going right now. I have a very important appointment to attend to. My client is owing me some money, so I have to go and collect it. I guess we have to postpone our date till next time.
No problem, Mr. Tom. I can come back another time and see you.
Don't worry, I promise to make it up to you next time.
It's okay, I understand.
Thank God. Now, feed discharge from here before these people come. Alright, my dear, let's start leaving now. Mr. Tom, you know why we are here. You are under arrest for defrauding Senator Jackson of his money.
My God, you tried to scam my father, Mr. Tom?
Young lady, I advise you to quickly be going home now because this man, as we are taking him away, is going to spend a long time in jail.
70 years old man.
My dear, it's all a big mistake. Don't worry, when you get to the police station, you go explain yourself better. Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.